Hello, I hope this video finds you well. Tonight we're going to look at has23 from array 1, and this is the Java solution. The problem states, given an array length 2, return true if it contains a 2 or a 3. We can look at these examples here. We see this first one has a 2, so it's true, has a 3, so it's true, and it does not have a 3 or a 2, so it's false. So we can set this up as really just a set of if statements. We're going to say if nums at 0 is equivalent to 2, or nums at 1 is equivalent to 2. So basically I'm saying, hey, if you have a 2 in the first or second element, we're going to return true. Well, also we have to count for 3. So we're going to put in else if. We're going to say else if nums at 0 is equivalent to 3, or nums at 1 is equivalent to 3. Well, in this case, we're going to return true as well. And if neither of those cases are true, we're going to return false. And I hit go, and there it is. So this question is checking to make sure you understand what the Boolean operator OR is, and we can tighten up this quite a bit. Again, because each of these if statements have a single line of code associated with them, we can remove the braces like this, and that works perfectly fine. The next thing is, because these both have the same chunk of code, that is, they return true, basically if this statement is true or this statement is true, I return true. So I can take this expression right here, and let's just take that. I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm just going to tack it on the end here. So I'm going to say or, and paste all that there, and that works as well. Because it's basically, is the first element to 2, or is the second element to the 2, or is the first element to the 3, or is the second element to 3. And the last thing you could do is you could observe the fact that if this Boolean expression evaluates to true, you return true, and if it evaluates to false, you return false. So as opposed to actually writing those return statements, we simply will return the result of this Boolean expression. And that's it. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.